Okay, so this is to Larry Page. I'm just going to show some of the cool features. This is Divine Intellect. First of all, let's go to my games directory and we'll look at circle trace. Okay, F5. So the idea is you draw a circle as fast as you can. There's a score based on how accurate and how fast. So there was a, 1600s painter who applied for a job, and his job application, he drew a circle freehand, and that's how he applied for a job. Anyway, I'm not applying for a job, I don't think. No, I might want to be acquired or something. I don't know. I just want to be public. That's what I want to be. So he drew a circle. So you want to see some divine intellect? How about this is the spec for my language. So it has integers and stuff. U0 is zero size. It's not like a void exactly. So for example, in a structure you might want to write a certain part of a structure to disk, and you can use a U0 for zero size. So when I started the command line, I had directory star, then I added default arguments from C++. Then I said at this point, why do I need parentheses? And so I got rid of parentheses if they're optional. You can have a default arg in the middle and not. Anyway, that's no big deal. So the print statement, instead of having printf hello world, all you do is you put hello world. Instead of having printf %s, %d, you just do no parentheses, no printf. Put char, it gets better. Anyway, so when I got rid of parentheses, made them optional on the directory, that had a side effect that I had to add ampersand in front of function pointers. Typecasting is postfix. It was easier for the compiler to do it that way. There's no main. Any function can be called in any order. You can put any statement outside a function gets executed in order. There's no bit fields. This is kind of, it's similar to bit fields. So if you have a I64, you can say I.U16.1, that's the second U16. So variable arg counts. You know how C++ has a this variable that's not declared? Well, mine has argc and argv for if you have a ... function. So for example, if you do print and you want to do a format string ... So this is how the graphic, okay, well that's passing argc and argv. Anyway, let's say you want to add 1, 2, 3. So this adds and gets 6. You can have multi-part conditionals. If 13 less equal age, less than 20, teenager. A switch statement always uses a jump table. That's not a feature. You can have ranges. This is awesome. This is why I'm a genius. You can have a no bound switch. A normal switch statement has a bound check. A normal switch statement has a bound check. This is faster because it doesn't have a bound check. Then I started getting fancy. You can do sub switches that have some common code. So we put the odd and even in separate spots, and then we got some shared code before and after. So there's a couple. This is kind of handy. If you use the class member pad or class member reserved, you can have multiple instances. I don't have packing, so on purpose you have to do it by hand. Okay, no reg or reg. You can tell which register variable to use. I have interrupt. You can make an interrupt handler. Now, if you have for a bunch of character constants or a bunch of characters, you can put together into an how do I put this? So if you say oh well, U0 watt I64 CH, and then we say %x colon %x. Okay, so we're going to do a little function watt. So this is just getting tricky. Hit F5. Oh, I didn't like that. Oh, I have a garbage. Okay, so 48 is HELLO. So we can also print it as %C and get hello. So %C can take multiple characters like that. Ticketmaster taught me some tricks putting multiple characters together. Ticketmaster had 8.3.1, a quad word for file names. I don't have that, but they started getting, anyway. So I changed the precedence order. I put shift like exponential. It's a lot better. You can execute code during compilation because it has a just-in-time. No type def, no class, no type checking. Union class, what else we got? Lock for multi-core. M size, M free, what do we got here? So it has some side effect. Anything that goes in a register gets extended to 64 bits. It doesn't do math on less than 64 bits. I was going to show off something else. What was it? I guess I can show my... no, that's okay. Okay, so that's it.